Look at that though. The body fat is crazy. It's body fat. It's okay. It's good moving. It's good moving. Good watching.
Tell a story. So, with that being said, let's move over here and draw our own little candlesticks. Okay. I know you're probably thinking, oh my God, I don't need to learn about candlesticks. I know you here. Tell a story. So, with that being said, let's move over here and draw our own little candlesticks.
Just say everything. It's okay. Say everything.
Okay.
Everything important, everything necessary.
I know you're probably thinking, oh my God, I don't need to learn about candlesticks. Trust. Let's say, bro.
Okay.
Ready? So we have two candlesticks.
Okay.
Let's.
What's the difference?
Dude, I wish I could color this thing.
You just say it.
Okay, ready? This one is going to be there. Represents and what these little wicks that they leave behind represent. Okay. So first of all,
this down.
Understanding candlesticks. Okay, we need to understand what time frame we are on. There are so many little different time frames up here that I'm scrolling through, right? 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 7, 8, whatever. Okay. And if you're very new, you're probably saying, well, what do those things mean? That represents the time that it takes for the candlestick to close. Okay, so if we are on the 5-minute chart, which we are on currently, if one of these, let's just say this is an actual candlestick within the chart, one of these candles, this candle represents 5 minutes of price action, of price movement. Okay? And the reason why these candlesticks are so beneficial is because we can read and see exactly what price did within those 5 minutes with just this one candlestick. Okay, oftentimes I can even be able to understand and pretty much just guess what is going on 1 minute structure just purely based off of a 5-minute candlestick or 2 5-minute candlesticks. And once you get good at this, you'll understand how to do that as well. But okay, we're on the 5-minute time frame. One candle represents 5 minutes of price action and market movement. Okay, so when we see a green candle or a bullish candle, okay, we see that it goes up and it ends right up here. Okay, green means boom, price went up. Everyone knows a green candle means up and a red candle means down. So in this instance, price opened right here where the body of the candle starts, and it closed at that 5-minute mark right here. Okay. So, boom, right here's the open, and boom, right here's the close. Okay, we can put this thing down. Oh, oops, shrink. The close and what went during that 5-minute duration of time, okay? But it never ended up closing there. It just shows where price went, right? It left a little snail trail, okay? It's like you take a shit and you put on your underwear and to be honest, I don't know how this relates. There's a wick all the way up here. That means within this 5-minute candle, yes, it didn't close up here, but price moved up to this point, okay? And then same thing with here.
The highest?
Down here was the lowest price point that price went within these 5 minutes. So now we know, okay, this is the highest point it went. Same exact thing on a bearish candle.
Yeah, exactly.
Closed candle is higher.
Because
okay, remember,
it's not bullish.
And again, right up here is the highest point that price was able to go to.
And what's next?
Actually, show
super basic.
Stick.
Here go.
Single candlesticks. Okay, good. It has some of them on there. Zoom on in. Okay.
That's super popular.
First of all, we don't give a fuck about this entire top row. Okay. I also don't give a fuck about anything in here.
Okay.
Anything in here, anything from here and below. I only care about dojis. Long-legged dojis, long-legged dojis and dojis are the same thing.
Well, it's doji.
Okay. Cross dojis and inverse cross dojis, dragonfly dojis, hammers. Okay. Those are the only things I care about. Okay. Just this row. Forget about all this bullshit.
Okay. This row.
This is garbage. Okay. No, we don't give a fuck.
Okay. It's my first time to hit this point of view because I read book before, even though it was just a scanning, just scrolling. And they told about a lot of these patterns that seems like they're all good. And in his point of view, he thought everything right here is bullshit. And okay, let's hear what his point about this row. I thought it's important and why. Why it's important? What's different between them?
All right, just focus on this row right here, okay? And why are we going to be talking about this?
Why?
Okay, it's because these candlesticks are showing price action and showing where price rejected and where it didn't, okay?
Rejected and where it didn't. I don't get this, honestly.
So, if I can honestly just find these on the chart. I don't know why I pulled that up. But with a candle, this is just like a perfect example. With a candle like this one, right?
It's super high.
Price
super
opens
high.
Right here.
The maximum price is super high, but the overall, the opening and the ending, it's not that, extreme.
Doesn't go low.
Doesn't go
right?
low.
It pushes.
It doesn't go low at all. Everyone is just pushing up. It's super bullish.
Is all the way up to this point, but then closes down here.
Closes down here.
This candle.
And actually, someone just. But what that mean? What that even mean? How's that possible? Just everyone's just pushing up and just close down at just a midpoint. I'm trying to understand it.
Is essentially saying to me, okay, we have strong bulls, but not strong enough to close. Damn. Not strong enough to close all the way up here or here or here or here.
Yeah.
We left a fat ass wick up here.
Yeah. Meaning we left a fat ass wick up. It's super high.
It was not strong enough to close above whatever was residing above here.
Above. I don't know this word. Okay. Reside. Oh, resident.
More than likely, it was taking this liquidity. Okay? So, right, we knew
that's strong. Some of them is strong. Okay?
That price pushed up, closed still bullish, but there was weakness because it couldn't finish out this candle, right? Now.
Okay. Wait. I'm trying to understand it. Someone buying, someone selling. Okay. And one, this is a bullish candle. I mean, the green candle. Most of them are buying to make the price higher. Is that right? I mean, is that logical? Oh my God, look at my face. I mean, this looks tired, okay? Sense of no energy. It's not me. Should have looked like. I don't like the way I look right now. It's not only the appearance, the nose, the face, mostly the energy. And the eyes, it makes, it's like nothing. And the long hair making even worse. I thought I was suitable to long hair, but the the fact is that it makes me just feel like no energy. I need to do plastic surgery with my eyes. Make a double up. I can do this. That makes it look better, but that looks serious. Okay, forget about it. I can't change it. I'm trying to make. Just forget about it. I can't change it. That's the result of all what I did last month, this month, last month, and even last month. Just everything just went in the wrong way. Okay.
Let's find another example. Okay. Right here. Okay. Similar.
Okay, I'm trying to understand it. In a day trading, or I would say a short term trading, what what decide the price? I mean, just for example, in a five minutes trading, there's a candle, right? There's a candle, and there's a wick with the highest price and the wick with the lowest price. I mean, it's a bullish candle. Just take an example. And what determine the price? And for example, there's a candle with a super high bullish, but with no, I mean, the super high bullish wick, but with no bearish wick. And as a result, the candle itself, the endpoint, the closing point, is way below than the maximum price. Explain the logic behind that. I just kind of don't get this. The price of stock crypto, how price action moves. So buyers, the sellers, want to pay as little. Oh, the buyers want to pay as little possible. Sellers want as much as possible. Price only move up when buyers are so eager. The smart orders to sweep through the available sales offers of higher and higher levels. Price drops when the sellers get impatient and hit the buyer's bid level below. Breaking down a specific candle. Okay, the peak, highest price reached with more buyers. Want to buy in a low price, with more buyers is getting much higher. And sellers want to sell as a high price and it will get lower. Okay. Okay, minutes zero is open. The candle opens in the 100. When no rick, right from the opening bell at 10 a.m. Buys immediately step in. At no point in 5 minutes a transaction executed below 100. Thus, both open and low. Minutes 0 to 3, aggressively, buying aggressively, assuming ever sell orders available is just getting way much higher. The highest rate of 5 minute period is recorded. If you pause time right here, the candle will look like a giant solid green block with no fucking wick in it. And 3:30, all of the stop selling. Okay, I think I totally get this. I totally get this. All right. Gonna go to working out later. Like, I know the basic thing I need to do. Yeah, I'm just want to chat with you guys, but I don't have audience yet. I don't have audience yet. That's pretty sad, but it's okay. I can't enjoy these feelings. I don't like doing well in front of people. I'm doing well with myself. All right. I'm exaggerating every bad thing on me. I exaggerate, make it. big. Um, Today's day plan, honestly, I just relaxed. Let's chill this couple. Okay, I need to concentrate. Okay.
Situation, but with a doji. Usually dojis, which are just small bodies of candles. Okay, so when a candle looks like this,
yeah, it's just small, really small, really small. So I just think about it. The doji is something was really small, and the opening price and the ending price is almost the same. And they got maximum price, they got lowest price, they got the wicks. So why? Just imagine it. Okay, when you start, oh, how's that? How come? How to form like that? Right? When it starts, just for example, a lot of people selling. Who want to sell at the highest price. So the price going low, low, way down to it. And the people found it super low and started buying it. From the lowest side, they went to the highest, to the maximum. Okay, and then people say, okay, it's too high, and just start selling it. They just want to maintain the price at the same level. Okay, so why people think about that? So why that form? I don't get this.
Dojis are great for reading price action. It's usually small body, long wicks, or just small body of a candlestick in general.
Yeah.
Okay.
Doji.
Looks like this.
Looks like this.
Okay, something like that of some sorts. Okay, probably not that long of candles of wicks, but you know what I get.
Yeah.
You know what I'm getting at.
Basically.
Anyways, dojis are great because they can show us indecision in the market and indecision with a bias in one direction. Okay, so when we see this bearish doji, right, we're obviously not taking a trade off of this, but we need to be able to read the candlesticks, right? These are the small things.
Okay, I think it's the different types of doji with equal wicks, both sides, in different kind of wicks. Some of them is small, some of them is big, some are long, short.
That intuition can build, that experience build by being able to see and read these candlesticks when most people aren't able to do that. Most people are saying liquidity was swept, we broke structure. But you guys,
liquidity was swept, we broke structure.
You guys can't even read these candlesticks. You don't even understand what these are saying to you, and they're telling you a lot of information.
Okay.
So this candlestick in particular, right? We see boom, big sell off down here.
Big sell off. Okay, there's a big sell off up and down. All right.
Okay, and then we get to.
I think I really need to learn. Okay, I just realized I can't just learn by myself. It's really tough for me. I thought that's impossible for me. Okay. I need a silence room. I need a silence room. I kind of enjoy this. I found myself, I can't control myself. I just keep concentrating. No distractions. Put my phones in my room. And when the summer ends, and I go back to school, go back to college, got a lot of classes. And the only time I got is the morning. It's the morning, super morning. And the whole morning, afternoon, the noon, afternoon, second half, and the night. I'm trying to attend some events though. Yeah, I'm trying to attend some events. I'm just using my best of time to learning and to trading. And to get up early, and to change my schedule totally. Just push it up. Just break it. Totally destroyed my current schedule and my habits. might have a really bad habits or routine and just don't go out, just stay at home. Have this rainy home every day, just myself. Just try my best to control myself. It's okay. I'm just keep moving. I'm just have a lot to say, but it's a distraction. I'm a talk with people, but just to the right guy. The right guy is myself, and the only right guy I found is myself. Yeah, that's kind of or some random guy. The pre-request is I don't know you. I don't know you. If I know you, even though I just talk a little, there's one sound in my mind just say, of imagine, or just delusion. Maybe this delusion will their sound is coming to my mind. I'm just getting too away from it.
This candle. Okay, we get long wicks to
I like to talk with them. Talk with you. This room.
The downside, but not a full body close, right? We don't see a big body close to the downside. It means we're losing bearish momentum. Okay, and as a big body, long wicks to the downside, but not a full body close.
Not a full
right?
body
We don't
close.
see a big body close to the downside. It means we're losing bearish momentum.
We lose bearish momentum. So that means the next momentum is going up.
Okay, and as you can see, we did lose it. We start consolidating, pull up a little bit higher, and then nothing fucking happens.
Okay, so that's just really, really this, this useful. You only use this one single candle to determine the whole consequences. It's kind of,
after that. Right, so we lost bearish momentum with this candle. We can see that through the long wick to the downside, and then it failing to close lower in a regular size candle, right? This is a doji. This is showing indecision within the market. Okay. Again, right? We see the long extension of a wick to the
long extension wicks to the that's opposite information. They're trying to go up. The momentum is this such big, strong, bullish momentum. They're trying to go up, and then there is a doji out there with the high wicks, upper wicks, trying to, get into a high price, a really high price, but the momentum is going down because they failed to getting close to the maximum price. They can end with a kind of low price, and then it's going down, a bit going down.
Upside, all right, showing that hey, we push all the way up.
It's just breaking all things down. Just be reasonable, be logical.
Up here, but we failed to close above here, right?
Okay, valid.
We failed to close above these price points, and then what happened? We fell. Okay, but this is not something you take a trade off of. This is just slowly learning and understanding.
Yeah, just 1 point. And so, just not that determinable. We can't use just one factor just to determine and make decisions.
Gold can give us some great momentum, some great volume, and also shows us some great candlestick patterns. Okay,
that's really, really helpful. Yeah, let's
go to the daily.
I think if there's a big twist, there always you can find a doji. Let's see if that really works. Okay, it's a big twist. Okay. Oh, that's strange. They got a big candle over there. It's a little bit wicks, bullish wicks. The highest price is not the lowest price, the opening price, the ending price, the closing price, but with no bearish wicks, only bullish wicks. And this term is really, really high momentum of bullish. To see that happen and to know it's going to way higher, but it's super big. It's like the biggest That's super crazy, you know. Just low, 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 a little bit low, 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 low. Okay, so there it is. With this super big, bullish, bearish side. Okay, look at it. This momentum is crazy. And there's an upper. Okay. The bearish is crazy too. Big. It's big. Okay. Sometimes it doesn't work, right? Sometimes it doesn't work. I'm trying to find. It's all time the same. Look, it's not all time useful. So fucking understandable. It's like unpredictable. You're trying to play this game, you had to accept this shit. Okay. Okay. It's up, low, up, low. Okay. One day. This is one day. Oh my god. This is one day. People are getting so hype. Is it right now, right? So right now? Whatever. Let's go through. Movie.
Where are we at? Okay. Right here. Okay. This is a great example. Okay. We push up, we come down. Okay. Yes, we formed a bullish doji, right? This is a doji candle. How?
This bullish doji. Yeah. Yeah, the Fed's coming close to the end.
However, right? We failed to push up completely. Yes, we see strong rejection to the downside. And yes, we do see closures to the upside. Okay, this is why we cannot be taking trades purely off of candlestick patterns, because this is only one confluence.
Yeah.
Okay.
Confluence.
Strong. We failed to push up completely. Yes, we see strong rejection to the downside. And yes, we do see closures to the upside. Okay, this is why we cannot be taking trades purely off of candlestick patterns, because this is only one confluence. Okay. Yeah, we see boom, super strong rejection to the downside with this wick, and then we close bullish still, right? But we're in a downside. Okay. Yeah, we see boom, super strong rejection to the downside.
Super strong rejection to the downside. Just want to go up. It's a big candle. Yeah, it's a real big bullish candle.
With this wick, and then we close bullish still.
Yeah, close bullish is still, right.
Right? But we're in a downtrend.
Wait. I just found one thing. Why the opening price it's different from the what the opening price? Okay. It's okay.
They're continuously breaking structure to the downside. Okay. So that's an example of where we can't let our bias get lost in these patterns. Okay. These are very, very minimal in what you need to trade, but it is good to understand and to know and to learn these. If you don't know them already, they're fairly simple. You really just have to know, right? A fucking strong close, which is what literally a regular candlestick looks like to you. So like this candle, for example, is just a strong close, right? It's full. It has not a high wick to the upside. If anything, a high wick to the upside on this candle would be even more of a reason for it to be a strong close. And then also, right, the the wick to the downside is fairly small, again, compared to the body, right? So we had a move to the downside and we were able to close and continue down, right? And it wasn't
move to the downside to close and continue down. So the downside point, the closing point is close to the ending point. That means we'll keep downside. If the bearish wicket is longer compared to the main body, the main candle, I mean this one, and then it would be better. It would be better. It's less bearish. It's less bearish. Is that right? Yeah, less bearish momentum, a more bullish momentum. But the fact is that it's really slow. It's keeping downside. That's a signal. Oh yeah, that's what I said. It's really big. The ending point is kind of high compared to the lowest price. So it's keeping moving up a little bit and then keep dropping.
Just
that. This seems so nonsense because you just look at the diagrams and say something. Say something seems to be reasonable.
A wick to the downside and then a move back on up showing weakness. Okay.
No audience at all? Okay.
Let's just keep going through and spotting these on the chart. Okay, again, right? This candle is a great example of something where like we see liquidity get swept in almost like a confirmation candle. Okay, right? We see this long swept and almost like great example of something where like we see liquidity get swept in almost like a confirmation candle.
What is get swept in? Swept. Pop up, just like pop up. Swept in almost like confirmation candle. What that even mean?
Candle. Okay, where like we see liquidity get swept in almost like a confirmation candle.
Get swept in almost like a confirmation
candle. Of something where like we see liquidity get swept in almost
we see liquidity get swept in just like
a confirmation
almost like a confirmation candles.
Candle. Okay, right? Okay. We see this long wick to the downside price.
Long wick to the downside.
At one point.
And signal to the up. Way longer. But it's the ending point. The ending point is way higher than that. That means it's got a super high bullish momentum.
Remember, guys, we have to understand that price was opened here. So at one point in time during this week, price was literally a big,
it's simple to understand,
red candle.
But if I'm just looking at
from this point down, right? Everyone probably thought this.
He just quit.
Is going to the floor, right? Because and this is where like your headspace can get fucked up. Because people get so caught up in the candle that's forming and not the candle that has formed, okay? We can only make bias and decision on candles as so caught up in the space can get fucked up because, and this is where like your headspace can get fucked up because people get so caught up in the candle that's forming and not the candle that has formed, okay? We can only make bias and decision on candles that have formed, not candles that are forming. Okay, that's why we always wait for a close, for a break of structure. Right? We have to wait for that candlestick to close because right? It's not an actual candle until price action is done within, whatever time frame that we're on. Okay, so this candle, for example, we get a strong rejection to the downside, right? Price pushed all the way down here, but then nope, was able to, first of all, opens down here, comes all the way down here, and then rallies all the way back up to this point and closes up here. That is a very, very strong bullish candle, right? We see
it is
massive wick to the downside, tiny wick to the upside, meaning it literally closed almost as bullish as it could have, right? On most bullish candles, you're going to get some sort of wick, and on most bearish candles, you'll get some sort of wick to the top side or to the downside. But when it closes so fully like this with a strong rejection to the downside, that is telling you that's telling you 1,000 words. Right? That candle is exactly where price wants to go. Okay, what does price end up doing? Rallies higher, takes out these highs, etc. Okay, so this is all that I want you to do for today. I know today, boring as shit. Boring as hell. You're probably like, what the fuck? But, right, we're starting from the beginning. We're starting from clear slate. Okay, trust, whatever. Okay, get on whatever pair that you trade. Okay. Get on whatever pair that you trade and just spot these. In all the as hell, that I want you to do for today. I know today, boring as shit. Boring as hell. You're probably like, what the fuck? But, right, we're starting from the beginning. We're starting from clear slate. Okay, trust me, we're going to bring you guys up with this, and it'll get going a lot quicker than you think. Okay, so all that I'm asking you to do is get on whatever chart you trade. Okay, whether it's SPX, GU, GJ, whatever. Okay, get on whatever pair that you trade. Okay, get on whatever pair that you trade. And just spot these and see how market reacts. Like literally
spot this.
Literally just being on this chart, I can see two. Boom. Massive wick rejection to the downside. Still not a good close, but what happens next? We do get a full bullish close. Boom. Rallies. Takes out these highs. A full rejection. I can see two. Boom. Massive wick rejection. I can see two. Boom. Massive wick rejection to the downside. Still not a good close, but what happens next? We do get a full bullish close. Still not a good, boom. Massive wick rejection to the downside. Still not a good close, but what happens next? We do get a full bullish close. Boom. Rallies. Takes out these highs. Right? Okay. Similar to
the doji. Okay. Let's see, we got a really, really high, really, really low price, but the end price is keeping the same. All right, that means it's a bullish. Strong bullish.
Right? We have a doji long candle, long wick to the downside, bullish close right here. Long wick to the downside, bullish close right here.
Bullish close right here
to the upside, right? We can use these two in confluence together.
These two, both.
Right? We have this full candle and then this doji with
it's a restriction. Okay, this much, not much. Okay, it's like a pair. It's like a dual. Like it has a really long wick to the downside and close at this point. It's really high. It's keeping moving on.
Big wick to the downside, showing rejection after several weeks of being down. Right, we can show exhaustion through the dojis. Okay, and then we get boom, closure to the upside. Price rallies, takes out these highs.
Price rallies, price rallies， 股价上涨。Price rallies, rally self. Price rallies. Okay.
So all that I want you to do, again, strong wick to the downside, full close, rallies. So all that I want you to do is choose whatever pair you trade, okay, and just look for these and see how price reacts off of these certain price points. Okay, find at least 10 examples. Okay, this is your homework, right? Find at least 10 examples.
10 examples
of these doji candlesticks. Okay, understanding wicks within the market, right? There's a saying, wicks don't lie, and I literally think there's someone that teaches
wicks don't lie
on like YouTube or Instagram named Wicks Don't Lie. I may be wrong though. It may be Fibs Don't Lie. I don't know, but wicks do not lie. Wicks and candlesticks tell the whole story. Okay, of price action. No, we do not care about a fucking mountaintop. Look how that shit played out. Fuck, we care. And that is what we are going to be studying this entire course. Okay. And honestly, these are going to be the lessons that are more important for you guys because this is shit that you guys probably brushed over and don't think about too often. So, homework, find 10 examples of this. Bro. Probably brush. These are going to be the lessons that are more important for you guys because this is shit that you guys probably brush in that you trade. Okay. Take screenshots of it. Fucking label them. Do whatever you need. But
let's do the homework. Let's do this shit. Okay, can I just found something? Is there any paper trading view I can use? I can trade with no money? That's a bit in paper trading tool that's completely free to use. Given the simultaneous account, I'll set it. Open any chart. Go to training view. Open live chart for any stock. Like at the very bottom bar of the chart window, click trading panel tab. Panel. Trading panel. Panel. I don't know. Panel. 面板. A grid of broker logos will pop up. A grid of broker logos. Broker. What the fuck? Broker logos will pop up. And paper trading view. Trading panel. Trading panel. I don't know, where is it? Trade. Just want to know if it's live or not. Is this live in? Is it the market right now? No. Oh, U.S. stock market session is closed. Oh, it's closed at 4:20. What's the screenshot? Okay, it's closed. It literally just closed. Wait. Monday. What? Wait. We're not in the same page. Monday, August 26th. God, I get caught. Just. Let's find dojis. Okay. Okay, there's a small doji. The maximum price is bullish. No. It's a bearish. Bearish open, closing. I think that's not that iconic though. Open, closing. It's getting the highest price. Let's see. The open price from here. Let's go up first, go down first. If it's go up first. Boo. Go up very high, and then people sell a lot, sell to the most to the side, and then go up. If it's down first, sell a lot, they found it's too low, and buy it again, and then sell. I don't get this, really. I don't really get this. It's not that iconic, I guess. It's not that iconic. I don't think it's iconic though. Doji. But it's doji though. It's iconic doji. Okay. The open price. Wait a minute. It's down, up, down, up, down, up, down. But this is a little up trend. Little up momentum though. And then this coming up. It's a bearish candle. They rejected going up from the opening to the end. Is super, super strong, no, bearish. And then there's a doji. The doji is low higher, a much shorter bearish wick. It's the upper slowing point. Okay. And the lowing point, because we have this such strong bearish point, and then that means what? Reject to stop ending at the highest point. They prefer to ending with a lowing point though. They prefer to end with a lowing point though. But we don't know they selling first or they they're buying first. I think it's selling first. Let's just ask AI. Look at this picture. There's a doji in this. It's a bearish doji. Has a longer bullish wick comparing to the bearish wick. I just want to know. I know it shows bearish momentum, but I would just want to know it's just people start buying more at first at when it opened or just selling more when it opened. And if that really matters, that this thing, people buying first or selling first really matters, I just want to know this. Look at the scrolls here. There's a gravestone, shooting star. Should people buy first, sell first? Well, no. In almost all cases, it will become a case. Buy sport first right after the open. Here's all. The open there is low. The buying wave immediately after the opening drop and push them price way up to create a high peak. The reversal near the top. Buyers run out of steam and aggressive seller. Okay, they buy it first. So if they buy it first, oh my god, look at shit, bro. If they buy it first, they buy it first, they came low. They reject to just coming that too low. The ending price is really low comparing to the opening price. It's kind of weighing back, but the most momentum is just selling it. So selling it. Okay, then they just go down. I'm kind of. What the fuck? What's going on? What's going on, mate? Come on. What the fuck? What the fuck? SPX. It's just an. Wow, super super expensive. $7,000. Want to get in the market? Wow, it's high. It's high. What's the paper trading? Where can I find the paper trading? Trade with the broker. Oh, I can trade with Moomoo. Good. Watch list. Settings. Watch list. I can't find the trade. I can't find the paper trading. I can't find the paper trading. I can't find the paper trading. Some players trading, but now it's currently collapsed. Look at the right side icon bust. Look at the virtual bar of the right side. Dollar inside a circle. Where is it? What the fuck? It's all inside of a circle. Netflix. It's really people trading Netflix. Watch list. Look at the very bottom edge. There is a small arrow. Click or drag it up to the expand. Alt P. I know. Now, where the fuck is paper trading? Market.有点卡。How to paper trade in TradingView. Okay.
In this video, I'll show you how to paper trade on TradingView. Come down to trading. You can link it to TradingView by the API. Set up an account with an email address. All assets that are available to Pro version, but to be on your account, go to paper trading here, trading settings, buy sell buttons, and press OK. That brings up these, and you can easily open the trade box by clicking on either buy or sell. So I'll click buy. It brings up a buy order for me. It shows the units that I'm trading, and then I can very quickly press buy to actually open a trade. It opens up a market order if you want to get something done quickly. If you want to press sell, that brings up the sell side of the box again. And I'm trading a number of units I can trade very quickly. Now, I don't really use these, so I'm just going to turn these off because we can click this button here, trade. It brings up the same box, and you can just manipulate exactly how you want. I'll show you how to use this in a second. But from here, we want to go to paper trading, summary row. You can see this. Click these on and off as you want. I would just leave them all on. This is account balance, equity, realized and unrealized P&L. Account balance is the amount of paper cash that you have to trade with. Equity is the total value of your account, cash plus any open positions. If you're making money in positions, that means the equity in your account will go up. And that's how much value your account is with cash and the profit that you have in positions. Realized P&L is the profit or loss that you've made from point and include can you have a and the price the long as note and the market price. Just click the logo of your broker or search for. In this video, I'll show you how to paper trade on TradingView. We're going to come down to trading panel at the bottom. Click this, top left, paper trading. Now, if you have a real brokerage account, you can link it to.
I just ignoring that. Why is it becoming like that? How to open it? Full chart. Okay, full chart. Trying to understand how it works. Trade. Okay, paper trading. Connect. $100,000. New community contacts. Indies can't trade directly. What it mean? It means我买指数不能被直接交易。SPY。Okay, I can do something. So know what to do. Well, actually, can I just close it? Yeah, that's better.
TradingView. Just click the logo of your broker. I'll leave a link below to TradingView. From here, I'll show you the settings that you can press OK. That's a paper trading, and you can it brings up.
I'm tired. I need some rest. I'm not gonna lie, I need some rest. I'm super tired. I feel ugly myself. The rest. God. works. Leave him alone. Okay, we're on to the right tree at this point. But if not, okay, it's gonna know what happens. Go along. I just want trying to just sit in my own room and doing all this trading stuff, doing all this study stuff. It's really hard for me to do this because habits and identity. I just consider my room as a play, as an entertaining place. I can't do anything valuable, anything profitable, anything that is worth me spending time, anything that not wasting time on my in my bedroom. Right now I'm in the table right here with the door open. It's such a good place. I need somewhere in front or near the window which can get some sunshine. It's just way too important for me. I have to get used to it. I have to do this. Okay. Limit market. All right. String it white. Take profit. Yes. Honestly, I don't really get this, and I don't think I need to get this right now because我现在连接了 paper trading，但是我想知道这个盘现是正在流动的吗？我的意思是在实时进行的吗？因为我知道现在已经不是交易时间了。Wait, what the fuck is that? What did I do? What did I do? Limit order place on. Cancel order. I don't know what I'm doing. That's really terrifying. I don't know what I'm doing at all. Show more. Okay, just deliver them all. Okay. Trade. There's no trading button. Can't see it. Unnamed. 盘后时间。虽然盘在动，跳空多，点差大。那我是否能在就是完全模拟的时候进行交易呢？就是有没有不是现在实时进行的那种市场情况，我可以就是 paper trading。 或者说有什么别的地方，现在还开着盘吗？K 线重播。哦。OK, replay. Crypto, Forex, S&P 500, futures, 期货. Okay, I mean, I prefer replay. So where's replay? Which one from this point? On matrix, settings, LUT, cancel, bar play, 顶部重播的图标 replay, play from here. No data here yet. Wait. Strategy with intraday bar replay. Practice hour by hour, minutes by minutes, and second by second. Only on our upgraded plan. How much is it? Non-professional. It's not that bad. No ads. But not yet, I think. I just analyze first. Just see what people doing, right? The doji. Okay, it's iconic. The doji super high. Bullish. It just start. Okay, I just keep sharing. Forgot to share it. Okay, and then I'm just gonna move in. This is iconic, right? It's really low price, but the ending point is really high above, so it's kind of, bullish. It's kind of bullish from here, and bullish from here. It's higher, but not that accurate. That's why, because it's a strong bearish momentum. It's a strong bullish momentum. Okay. One getting high, was getting low, was bearish. Oh, wait. 如何判断一条线是 bullish 还是 bullish 还是 bearish？除了根据颜色以外 I need some charges. Do you have? 收盘价极度靠近高点，无论中间经历什么，看多 is bullish. Even though the lowest price super low, we have to see it, right? Bullish point. So it's momentum, up momentum. It's really strong, lower bearish momentum. Okay, here's iconic one. Another. It's a bullish point, bullish chart, candle. and this is opening price, and this much, this pushing not really low price. It's opening, but it's really high priced, but it refused to stay at a high price. It's getting low, so it's a bearish. Another from this, it's really low, but it's regret. He just don't want to stay at low, so it's a bullish. Even though they're both green, but the meaning is different. I think I kind of know it. Okay, another one. Starting point, ending point. It's really high. It's really, really high price, but refused to. It's getting really low. Even though there's nothing, no wick at this point, but it's really, really low. Okay, kind of good. So it's opening, getting really high, again low. It's actually a bearish, a strong bearish, but it's not getting lower. It's getting lower at this point. Okay, it's getting lower at this point, and just reverse immediately. Very fast. So 5 minutes. Okay, I can't know what. I kind of get it. Okay, just okay, good. 我想知道那些做学习交易的人用什么来做笔记，记录自己的想法。TradingView 有这个功能吗？还是有别的比较推荐的东西？英文笔记。Notion, Obsidian, GoodNote, Trazella, Broker. Trying to do some notes. Trazella. I need charger. Actually, how it works. Journal. Wow. Don't tell me you were charging la. Newbie. Personal. Who's your primary broker? Interactive broker. Stocks. Journal. Analyst. Google. I don't know. Look. That's crazy. Look out. I'm not gonna pay. I just can't. I don't know if I'm gonna write a note or not. It's recording it. Doji. Okay, just dodgy. Able to gain lots of information on Doji. For me, most essential to find this mental let's say there is a doji okay, just take this as example. Okay, push doji with longer polish wick and starting points, ending points, which means the wick, the ending point is not close to the showing bearish momentum. Crowd. I don't know what that even mean. What's that even mean? Whatever. Toast. Considers abolish poetry was long. Done yet? No audience. They're getting rich, getting successful. I don't know. Just keep it going. The only thing I can do is just keep going.
Tell so much of a story within this market. All right, boys, welcome to day 3 of the boot camp, my free trading course, whatever, going to last all summer long. Okay, hopefully you enjoyed episodes 1 and 2, and I'm definitely not going to be saying this when it gets to fucking like episode 60, because then I would have to list every single.
Let's see some. No, some failure. 反面教材。Is that you? Is that you?
Hello， 大家好，我是诺曼。今天我们要看的是国外非常知名的技术 TJR， 它在海外拥有大量粉丝，视频播放量动辄几十万，被很多人视为大神级交易员。但今天的这支视频，我会把
look at you. Let's see what
它放在反面教材系列，因为它非常真实的展示了，不管你多有名、多有经验，只要没有纪律，一样会被情绪控制，最终被市场教育。我们会通过几个关键片段，呈现它从逻辑清晰的专业交易员，一步步滑向情绪化、无纪律、无风险管理的灾难性亏损。
Okay, cool. So if we can close this up candle, we're looking real good because then we're forming this bullish S&P from these lows to these lows, from these lows down to these lows. The focus will be to take the trade on the S&P 500. This is the leading index.OK，
好了，在这里他开始讲今天的交易逻辑。他观察到 Nasdaq 与 ES 之间出现了 SMT 背离 ，Smart Money Technique。简单解释一下 SMT， 当两个高度相关的市场在关键位置出现不同的高低点结构时
，OK，
强弱关系会暴露。
强弱关系不懂什么，
从而提示潜在反转。
OK， 所以说会反转。
他的分析完全没有问题 ，Nasdaq 下破低点。
Nasdaq 下破低点
，ES 没有下破
，ES 没有下破，它们的强烈相关 ，Nasdaq 跟 ES
形成看涨
S&P，
这是典型的反转信号。到目前为止，它的逻辑是专业、系统、结构化的。
We get that
5-minute just got it.
minute bullish SMT, but we wait for the 5-minute retrace because it's going to give us a better entry.
那么接下来，他进一步解释自己的交易计划：先出现5分钟 SMT， 然后等待5分钟回调，回调进均衡点位，再用1分钟结构确认进场。这套流程是标准的结构化交易模型，逻辑严谨，步骤清晰，没有任何问题。但问题不是逻辑，而是他能不能执行自己的逻辑。
I'm going to go long here on Nasdaq. Just entered. Unfortunately, this isn't going to be a good draw for me on Nasdaq.
到了进场时刻，他突然选择在 Nasdaq 上做多。问题来了
，No, you just say it's just get dropping. Wait. You need to wait to turn it back, right?
他之前所有的分析、所有的规划、所有的结构判断，全部都是基于 ES 做的。结果真正下单的时候，他却跑去做了 Nasdaq。这就是典型的计划在 ES， 执行在 NQ。交易里最忌讳的就是计划与执行不一致，这一步已经埋下了后面亏损的种子。
ES wouldn't be horrible longs either, because it's actually a pretty good risk reward.
就跟小马后炮。
那么更夸张的是，他随后又补了一单 ES 多，这意味着什么？他同时做多2个高度相关的资产，等于给自己加了2倍杠杆。对新手来说，这是绝对不推荐的行为，因为你不是分散风险，而是把风险叠加了。方向一旦错了，你会同时被2个市场打脸。
Okay, Nasdaq, I got stopped out. Damn, ES, I got stopped out as well. Watch, and now we're probably going to reverse up here. I would like to fucking put money on it that we're going to reverse up here. Okay, I lost $67,000.
67,000.
$67,200 on both of those trades.
At a risk. It's not good.
I would like to believe that we're going to go higher here.
那么这里他得到了第一次亏损，第一次止损后，他的反应非常关键，他没有认为自己错了，他认为市场应该往上走，只是先把它扫掉了。这就是典型的没有交易规则之后情绪接管 而后想继续赌下一单。交易里最危险的不是亏钱，而是亏钱后还觉得自己是对的。
I'm feeling like I want to just go long here on Nasdaq.
Okay.
那么接下来他说了一句非常关键的话 ，I'm feeling like going long。这句话基本宣告他已经把之前所有的交易计划抛在脑后了，不再是结构，不再是 SMT， 不再是回调，不再是确认，而是我感觉应该涨。这就是典型的情绪交易。
Emotion.
I'm fucking going high risk, bro. I don't care.
Oh my god, that's fucking nuts. This line is so fucking.
之后他接着说 I'm going high risk， 这句话基本宣告风险管理彻底消失。当一个交易员开始加大赌注时，其实已经不是在执行策略，而是在试图赢回刚刚亏掉的钱，这是交易中最危险的心理。
If I get stopped out on this, then I'm smoked for the day. Smoked for the day and like smoked on the monthly P&L as well.
那么此时他开始意识到这一单下得太大了，这就是为什么我们一直强调仓位管理永远比技术重要。技术错了你亏一点，仓位错了你亏一辈子。
Oh my god. Oh my god. Totally opposite. But just get smoked, bro. I mean, I just take it after that, you know? I just share my opinion after that, but everybody making mistake. It's okay.
Dog. Oh my god.
Oh god, look at this. Oh my god.
Today was bad, bro. I lost, bro. I'm fucking sick. I lost $234,000 in
10 minutes. That's the 10 minutes, like 5 minutes.
$60 today, bro.
那么最终他被彻底止损，当天亏损超过20多万美元，月度亏损也被直接打穿。你能看到他整个人都崩溃了。如果你看到这里，相信你已经明白了，交易不是技术的。你能看到他整个人都崩溃了。如果你看到这里。
Wow. 86.
相信你已经明白了，交易不是技术的问题，是心理的问题。再强的逻辑，再漂亮的
Wow. Oh my god. 237K.
只要情绪上头，纪律崩掉，结果都会像今天这样被市场狠狠教育。如果你不想走 TGR 的这条路，如果你想真正学习结构化、纪律化的交易，如果你想在这个市场里活得更久、走得更远，欢迎关注我，我会继续做更多真。
Oh my god. I mean, 你完全就是否决他的所有东西。这个东西真的是跟个人相关吧，有点太绝对了。至少他教的是真的，你至少可以学技术。这在说马后炮，所有人都在说马后炮。为什么一定要说一些这种因子挖掘，说些这么高大上的词？你得切身体会职业交易后才能体会交易和赌博的区别。 What's the point? What do you mean? What do you mean, bro? 对，我也看得出来，他本质搞自媒体的。
真实透明。
I have to take a risk. I'm not a risk taker. I refuse to take risks. I'm trying my best to not take a risk. Want to play poker? Sometimes. Yeah, when the emotion is just getting cooked. 我经常会进入到那种温水煮青蛙的境地，就知道自己错，但不知道哪里错了，但又不愿意承认，在某些时刻做出一些很错误的决定。我在德扑中遇到过很多这种情况，没有那么多吧，但是有，但那已经足够让人 impressive 了。
Single one of them, but hopefully.
I've been living for 2 hours. I have to take food. item syncs live in 3 hours already in the stream, and